Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
पाण्याचो विषय जो आशिल्लो शेअर मेळोवचो कारण आय वॉज द वन हू पुट द वॉटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट इन बोथ द प्लेसेस. सो वॉट वी हॅव डन आफ्टर सीइंग द न्यूजपेपर आर्टिकल टुडे वी हॅव हॅड मिटिंग्स विथ एवरीबडी आणि आम्ही ऑलरेडी डिसिजन केले मुख्यमंत्रीच्या सहकार्यान आम्ही पयपुळाच्या ब्रिजाचे GSIDC काय पयलीं दिल्ले एकदा टेंडर जाल्लो आता परत ते एस्टिमेट तेजो वाडला 7.5 to 12.5 कोटी ते काम फुडल्या विकान टेंडर जातले आणि पाण्याचो विशय जो आहा पाण्याचो विशय गणेश चतुर्थीचे पयलीं अंडरग्राउंडच्यान आमकां पायप दिवची पडटली and we are resolving the issue before Ganesh Chaturthi. They have given me an undertaking that before Ganesh Chaturthi, main manje we have to get this sorted. But because the bridge got washed away, but tankers are being provided in the village. There are more than 10 tankers a day that are going there. But Paipul bridge within the next 9 to 12 months will be ready. आणि त्याचबरोबर आम्ही सावड्ड्याचो पूल घेता मुख्यमंत्रीच्या सहकार्यान आणि मेन म्हणजे कित्याक की आमकां पाण्याचो जो विशय जाल्लो इट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम दॅट इज क्रिएटेड सो दे ऑल्सो रिक्वायर सँक्शन टू पुट द अंडरग्राउंड वॉटर टॅक्स सँक्शन दे टेकिंग टुडे गोयली पाडेली ब्रिज विच वॉज पेंडिंग फॉर more than 10 years. I have spent 26 crores and got it and got connectivity from Bureli to come here 11 kilometers. I have reduced the distance of the people. All infrastructure in Sattar is in place. Now this happened because of a calamity. The calamity has to be, we have to overcome these problems. Now from the forest, the work is going on by PWD to give a connecting road. Now we have to see from with forest's permission to see because there are wild animals and other things. So I am on that. Today we have had 2 meetings. One is on the water issue, one is on the bridge issue.